Keeping different parts of your online life separate can make browsing much easier. In this video, I'll show you how to create and delete custom containers in Zen Browser. First, open the browser menu by clicking the three-dot button in either top left or the top right corner, depending on your layout settings. From the menu, look for Settings and open it. Inside Settings, select Tabs and Browsing and then find the section related to containers and click Manage Settings. If you want to locate it faster, use the Settings search bar and type Containers. Once you find the container settings, you can manage your existing containers and create new ones. To create a new container, click the option to add a new container. Choose a name that matches its purpose. There are a couple of default ones, but you can go way beyond these. For example, you could create containers called Your Profession, Current Studies, even names if you use your computer or laptop together with someone else and you prefer separated sessions. You can also choose a color and icon, making each container easier to recognize while browsing. After creating the container, it will become available whenever you open a new tab and select where you want that browsing session to take place. Each container keeps its own cookies and login sessions separate. This means you can stay logged into different accounts on the same website without needing to repeatedly sign out and switch accounts. For example, you can have one container with your personal Gmail account and another with your work account open at the same time. When you no longer need a container, deleting it is just as simple. In the same Container Management section in Settings, find the container you want to remove and click on the Remove button. Keep in mind that deleting a container also removes the browsing data stored inside that container, including its separate login sessions and cookies. Only delete containers you are sure you no longer need. Using custom containers is a simple way to create a more organized browsing setup while keeping different online activities separated. Whether you use Zen Browser for work, privacy, or managing multiple accounts, containers give you much more control over your browser sessions. For more Zen Browser tutorials, customization guides, and privacy-focused browser tips, check out the next video.